Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am at the Holiday Inn at Luton Airport because I have a 6 a.m. flight tomorrow, and if you have already subscribed to my channel and seen my hotel room review on the Holiday Inn Express at Luton Airport, I'm here to tell you they are different hotels. They're a few minutes down the road from one another. I usually like to book the Holiday Inn Express because it is the closest airport walking distance wise to Luton Airport, but this one's only a few more minutes down the road. I think it's like a 10-minute-ish walk compared to 7 minutes from the other one. The Holiday Inn Express is temporarily closed. I have no idea why, so I booked this one instead. I used my IHG points, did a little bit of points and cash situation, 9,000 points plus 20 pounds. Let's do a quick room tour, and I think always good to have some options, right? Just in case other hotels are booked. Let's see how this one stacks up to the other Holiday Inn down the road. P.S. I'm staying in room 007, so I'm feeling very James Bond-like tonight, as you do. All right, so as you enter the room, this is what you see. So let's go take a look and see the room. So we've got just a regular full-size bed, and we've got a flat screen TV on the wall. We've got a nice little desk area. We've got some plugs there, a little vanity mirror, probably be doing my makeup there tomorrow. And then down here, we've also got some tea and coffee making equipment. And then panning around, I'm on the ground floor at room 007, and I usually don't like to be on the ground floor, but you can see I'm basically on the back of the hotel in a parking lot, but these windows do not appear to open, so I think from safety standpoint, all right. We've got a little chair here. We've got kind of built-in bedside tables with plugs, some little lights above and by the pillows. Only 2 pillows, which, I mean, hey, if I was sharing, I would not be happy about. And then we do have air conditioning in the room. It is a little stuffy in here, so I will be trying to turn that on. So let's see how that goes. Ooh, sounds like it works. And then in here, we've got an iron, some things. Then we've got the hair dryer and the iron, 2 extra towels. On this side here, we've got full-length mirror. I'm basically just wearing this to the airport tomorrow. And then we have the bathroom. So pretty, yeah, definitely doing the makeup outside. I look green. With apparently a caution, very hot water, so maybe we don't need a kettle. Some little plugs for the shavers, some soap. Very, very basic, but very clean upon observation. And we've got, it's basically a wet bathroom here because we've got kind of all tiling, little shower. So I would say, very nice. And then it says here, if you've forgotten something, you can go, they'll be pleased to deliver with compliments: shaving cream, disposable razor, comb, toothbrush, cotton wool, and female sanitary products. That's a really nice feature. Yeah, so first observations of the hotel. Let me go somewhere where the lighting is slightly better. First observations of the hotel is compared to the, I guess very similar to the Holiday Inn Express. The whole ground floor is kind of like a bar restaurant area. It looks really lively right now. People are out kind of, they have 24/7 food options there, which is pretty awesome feature, especially for an airport hotel when you're kind of coming and going late and early. Seems really lively. People are out having a good time. Check-in was really easy and smooth, very nice. They've also offered to print something up for me because I forgot to print out my PCR test. Oops. So I'm gonna go collect that momentarily. But yeah, I mean, I think as far as airport hotels go, it's not like the lap of luxury, but it's clean, seems pretty safe. pretty short walk to the airport, so I will kind of check in tomorrow morning and let you know how the rest of my experience went. Oh, one more thing before I shut off for the night, because people will want to know this. They do have a bus, not like an official organized shuttle bus like the Holiday Inn Express does, but there is like a public bus that you can pick up to go to the airport, which I think is just the one that I got dropped off at. Or they can call you a taxi. They say it will come in 5 minutes and it's £10 to go to the airport. So they said, if I decide I don't want to walk in the morning, I can just ring up the front desk, have a taxi waiting for me. So let's see, I might want to do that option. £10 versus 10 minutes walk. Let's see how it goes. Guess we'll find out tomorrow, won't we? Hey guys, so I realized that I have not wrapped up my video from the Holiday Inn at Luton Airport. I kind of knew that would happen because every time I have these early morning flights, the last thing I have time for is to essentially pick up a camera. So I woke up at probably 3:45 in the morning. I actually slept pretty well, all things considered, even though I probably only had like 5 or 6 hours of sleep. And I just immediately whoosh, 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 got myself dressed, slapped on like a layer of foundation. Priorities, and then I actually decided to walk to the airport. So I thought about, do I want to call the taxi or do I not? I just decided, you know what, walking there is easier. It literally took 10 minutes. I was in the airport at, I think 4:37 was the time that I looked at when I checked the phone on the way in. I had already purchased fast track security at Luton. This is a really great hack if, like me, you're not a morning person and you just want to speed things up. £5, you have to pre-book it in advance. They only let you kind of pre-book it on the hour time slots, so like 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m. I had a 5 a.m. booking and I just blew right through at like 4:40 in the morning. They do check it. You just bring it up on your phone or you can print it up. They did check it. They don't care. So just, you know, book it to the nearest 1 hour time slot. I would say book, like if you're planning to be there between 4:30 and 5, book the 5 would be the recommendation. Blew through fast track security. I always get flagged for extra search at Luton, which is, you know, one of the reasons why I do this. You know, literally took 5 seconds. And another hack at Luton, where the fast track security is in the back right, there's a whole stand of free magazines. So I literally scored Vogue, Condé Nast, and Tatler. I know, I'm greedy, you can judge me for it. So you don't have to go to fast track security to go score those magazines. So like all the way in the back right of the security at Luton is where several times now I've seen all of those. So if you want a cheeky free magazine for your trip, or 3, I know, judge me, but I'm here on like a beach holiday and all the magazines are in Spanish. So yes, I was gonna buy some, but you know what? Didn't have to. So those £5 more than paid for themselves for that security. But wrapping up the hotel, so my night's sleep was good. It was super basic, but it's a room with air conditioning. The bed was definitely rock hard, so if you like a firm mattress, you are in luck. I wouldn't really be the kind of place I'd want to stay multiple nights, but perfectly fine for 5-6 hours sleep. Everything perfectly clean, no issues with noise. So yeah, everything was really easy, and honestly the walk to the airport was fine. It's 10 minutes. You do face a little bit of like people traffic. I did have to ask a few people if I could pass them because there were some really slow movers who were like chain smoking, and I was like sorry, I'm sorry if someone's watching this who smokes. I don't mean to offend you. It's just I have literally almost like an allergy to it where I start sneezing when I'm around smoke. So I could not face being behind that for 10 minutes. But people were so nice. If I just said, excuse me, do you mind if I sneak by? I'm walking a bit faster, and they were really understanding. So, because it's literally, it's like one of those sidewalks that you can only fit like 2 people wide in. So, but besides that, I would say super easy. I definitely would stay there again. I think if the Holiday Inn Express opens, I would probably just pick that over the other one. They're very similar in terms of I think, offerings and pricing and everything, but the Holiday Inn Express is just a few minutes walk closer. And I will say the Holiday Inn, the first stretch of the walk is like a little uphill situation, which, you know, at 4:30 in the morning, you're like, oh. But again, you know, if you're reasonably able-bodied, it's not a big hill. So, but yeah, just, you know, that's why it's like, even though they're like a block apart, it's like a 10-minute walk versus a 7-minute walk, because a little slower going up that hill. But yeah, would stay there again. Super recommend it. If you have IHG points, look and see if you can get the rooms for free on points. I mean, I think 13,000 points, not so bad. So yeah, so thanks again for tuning in, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this kind of content, please hit that subscribe button. I film travel vlogs. I also film hotel room reviews, so if you like that kind of content, you'll be seeing a lot more of that from me. If you liked this video and found it useful, please hit that like button and leave a comment and let me know. I love hearing that people found it useful, or if there was something that I didn't cover but you had a question on, please leave it, because maybe I know the answer. If not, I'll let you know. But thanks again for tuning in, guys, and I will see you soon.